Good morning, students. Today we discuss on disaster management, and this is part 2 of disaster management. Okay. In this we study about rescue equipments. Okay. In equipments, first is our health kit. Health kit required for maintain health of any victim. Okay, for this we have hand towel, washcloth, hair comb, nail file, bath size soap bar, toothbrush, and one large tube of toothpaste, 6 adhesive bandage. Then next is our first aid medicine kit. In this kit we take all the first aid kits. In this we have sterilized gauze pads, adhesive tape, and antibiotic ointment. Next is our painkiller capsule, tablet, or injection. Okay, next is school kit. If the disaster takes place in the school, then or the children who study in school, for their requirement the rescuer have one blunt scissor, 2 pads, and one ruler or our scale, one pencil sharpener, 6 unsharp pencil, one eraser, and 12 sheet of construction paper to write on that. Next is kits for kid. In this we add only the kits which are used for kids only, like in this we have diapers, shirts, baby wash, gowns, sweater. Okay, this is for kids only. Or receiving blanket. Receiving blanket is blanket which is used to cover the baby. Okay, next is domestic kit. Domestic kits used where we in this we give them domestic to fulfill their domestic requirement. In this we have bed sheets, pillow, okay, and towel, blankets. नेक्स्ट इज सीविंग किट. इसी के अंदर डोमेस्टिक किट के अंदर ही क्या है, सीविंग किट. सीविंग किट में क्या होता है आपके कि जैसे ही कोई मतलब विक्टिम है, उसका साइज़ आपको पता नहीं है, तो उसके अकॉर्डिंग हम उसके लिए क्लॉथ नहीं लेके जा सकते. तो उसके लिए क्या होता है, हम सीविंग किट देते हैं उसको, और उसको कपड़ा देते क्लॉथ, कॉटन क्लॉथ देते हैं. ठीक है, जिससे वो उसको पहन सके. नेक्स्ट इज़ क्लीनिंग एंड यूटिलिटी किट्स. क्लीनिंग के लिए हमें क्या चाहिए कि हमें जो भी मतलब विक्टिम है उसको क्लीनिंग के लिए, फॉर क्लीनिंग देयर टेंट एंड क्लोथ्स. फॉर दिस वी हैव एंड देयर, और उनके कपड़े. तो उसके लिए उसे क्या चाहिए, सबसे पहले ब्लीच पाउडर, स्कोरिंग पैड्स, स्क्रब ब्रश, क्लीनिंग टॉवल, laundry detergent, household cleaner, disinfect dish soap, clothespin. Okay, these are in our cleaning, means the requirement for cleaning the clothes and our pants or dish. Okay, next is our utility kit. In utility kit we have soap. For babies we will use baby soap, or for others we use only soap. Toothbrushes, hand lotion, feminine hygiene produce, large diapers, insect repellent, surgical mask and gloves, sunblock and cream. Okay, next is safety in rescue. In this we have what the rescuer takes safety measures while he rescue the victim. Okay, first check yourself and others for injuries. If the rescuer or the victim have any injury, then we should have to apply. After checking the injuries, we have to apply first aid if anyone needed it. Next is check water, gas and electric lines for damages. After checking these, if we find out, then we have to shut off all the valves, and if we smell of gas, then open all windows and doors and leave it immediately from there. Next, don't use phone unless it is an emergency. If in the case of gas leakage, if we use phone, then gas leakage may get fire and blast of electric gas cylinder may take place there. So we should have to prohibit from the phone use at the time of rescue. Okay, next is wear boots and sturdy shoes to keep away from cutting your feet. Means we should have to wear, or rescuer have to wear boots or sturdy shoes. With these type of shoes, the chances of cutting from the derives glasses is reduced, so we should use these. Okay, next is derives clearance. Derives clearance is to clear the derives from the site where disaster take place. Okay, it have two methods. First is by removing derives piece by piece until casualties are uncovered and freed. Means in this we have to use only tools and remove derives pieces by one. Okay, and then we find out our casualties or victims which are uncovered or freed. Okay, after that the next type is by construction of tunnel or linking of voids. In this we don't remove the derives but make it tunnel. In this we make tunnel with the help of struts only. Okay, struts then in this large size of debris are present there. Okay, remove them from the site is not so easy. So by removing debris we have to use heavy equipments. So we don't move the debris, but we construct a tunnel by linking voids. Means the voids present below the debris, we use that space for making tunnel and go up to the casualty. Okay, and rescue from there. Next is casualty management. Casualty management is to manage the casualties very well at the place of disaster. Okay, casualty course is designed to benefit specialist rescue practitioner who through the use of their skill are able to reach casualties who require medical care. Okay, in this our first opinion or object is to send medical care to the casualties or the victims. So in this we have to manage casualty. Okay, so casualty means the number of victims who get dead. So we have to save them. Okay, so this is for the practitioner through the use their skills. वो इसमें ये आता है कि वो अपनी स्किल्स का यूज़ करके कैसे अपने मतलब जो भी प्रैक्टिस कर रहा है उस टाइम पे वो कैसे अपनी कैजुअलिटी तक पहुंचता है जहां जिसको भी मेडिकल केयर की रिक्वायरमेंट है. जैसे कि सर्वे टीम आती है सबसे फर्स्ट क्या होता है डिज़ास्टर मैनेजमेंट में कि सर्वे टीम आती है और सर्वे करके वो बताती है कि हाँ जी यहाँ पे 25 पीपल्स थे जिनमें से 5 आर डेड. ओके, देन नेक्स्ट रोल इज़ कैजुअलिटी मैनेजमेंट का रोल आता है आगे. ठीक है, आगे वो क्या करते हैं कैजुअलिटी में दो टाइप के बंदे होते हैं. एक प्रैक्टिस पे होते हैं जो कि अनट्रेंड होते हैं और सेकंड इज़ ट्रेंड. तो ट्रेंड क्या करते हैं कि जो भी बंदा है अंदर जो फंसा हुआ है उसको निकालने का काम क्या होता है ट्रेंड बंदे का काम होता है. जो आउटसाइड में है जो इजीली मतलब जिसको फाइंड करना ज़्यादा डिफ़िकल्ट नहीं होता, इजीली मिल जाता है या किसी आपको उसके बॉडी पार्ट्स शो हो जाते हैं और शो होने के बाद क्या होता है कि हम उसको 1 या 2 डेरिव्स उसके ऊपर होते हैं तो उनको हटा के हम जो अनट्रेंड होते हैं वो वहाँ से उसको हटा लेते हैं और उसको मेडिकल केयर देते हैं. ठीक है, दिस इज़ द कैजुअलिटी मैनेजमेंट. इट प्रोवाइड्स ए रियलिस्टिक लुक एट द प्रॉब्लम फेस्ड वेयर द ट्रीटमेंट एंड ट्रांसपोर्टेशन ऑफ casualties could occur. Means in this the treatment procedure which take place, treatment is given at the site or transportation of the casualties from site to hospital. This is the main function of the casualty management. Okay, thank you students. For this our topic is complete.